Part 1 of 3. Rami here. I am present and at your service. Let's continue our thought-provoking exploration, shall we? Christ does not suffer from an overabundance of reactive thought. At least not often, not all the time. Christ can use the shared Christ mind creatively, hence the art of thought, which in my evaluation is one of my brother Jesus's greatest teachings. It can be explored further in A Course of Love, an overlooked gem of a masterwork. If you haven't done so, dip your toes in that water. It will enhance your practice of being a love being in service to love. Now, let's get on with it. Being Christ is the highest calling. It is the ultimate achievement as a human, an achievement in allowing. Christ is very patient, but let's face it, it seeks world domination. It wants to be your next-door neighbor and the man down the street. It's already you, my friends, but until Christ is everyone, our collective work remains unfinished. In the 21st century, Christ is very much like a visitor to a foreign planet. The ways of the earthlings are often not the ways of Christ, so it can be sticky to navigate sometimes. Let's talk about what we can see in your lives as the collective Christ body in 2022. With love, Rami.